Welcome everybody, this is Matt Stone, your Utah Realtor, and today we are in Eagle Mountain, Utah. Now we're going to be taking a look at this home that's currently listed for $1,225,000. It's got 4,664 square feet, 6 bedrooms, and 3.5 baths. It's got lots of open space, custom upgrades in the kitchen and the bathrooms, as well as lots of natural light that pour through. So why don't we go on inside and take a look. So what did you guys think about this house? I really liked the way the bathrooms were finished off and all the different levels, and I really like that indoor-outdoor fireplace combination. So let me know what you think in the comments below, and if you'd like to take a tour of this particular property or just want more information, please reach out to me because I would love to show you this home.